Hey guys, this is Ben here from Simple Survival Tricks. I'm going to show you how to make these waterproof matches, and they burn for about 1 minute. They're really good, and I'm going to show you a quick demonstration. I'm going to show you how this waterproof match works. So I'm going to dip it in water here. Quick. Here you go. And I'm going to dry it out. So if you're in a survival situation, you could probably use your shirt. I'm just using a paper towel right now. Just make sure it's nice and dry. It's pretty dry. Take off my glove. Okay, there it is. So now what you want to do is you want to take off all wax from the edge. So when you strike it, it actually works. Just give it a couple scrapes. Okay, it should be good. Hope it works. Put it up against the lighter. Boom, there you have it. So now this is going to last you about a minute. So I can show you how it's wind resistant. Really bright here. See, I'm blowing at it. And it's still lighting really nicely. So this is a really good match. Lasts you about a minute or longer. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial on how to make this bad boy. So first you're going to grab toilet paper, paper towel, anything. You're going to cut it about the width of the match. So now you're going to grab it and you're going to wrap it around the match like this. Put it around and start wrapping around, and you still want the head to be slightly exposed or fully exposed so it's a strike. So you're going to fold it in half like that, and then you're done for the first part. Okay, for the second part, I just grabbed a candle, I grabbed a knife, and I just flaked off some wax in there, so there's more than enough for a couple candles. But now I'm using a torch just to heat it up a little. Be careful not to overheat it, or else it could combust into flames. Pretty hot. Just gonna let that melt for a little bit. Now for the second part, you're just gonna grab your match, quickly turn it and dip it in. Now you're gonna let that dry. Just blow on it. You can grab it from the other side, same thing. Quickly spin it, and then for the remaining wax, just push up with your fingers, or you could just dip the rest of it quickly in. I'm just gonna grab my finger and just put it on there. So just taps that a little bit. There you have it, your waterproof match. Now for the middle part, it might be a little empty, so you could just either fill that in. Here, let me quickly reheat it. Go. I'm gonna grab it and just pour it on top of the middle one. There you go. Just gonna spread it a little. There you go. So there you go, yeah, we're done with the match. And yeah, I'm about to show you a time lapse of it burning for like a minute or longer. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.